To install PowerToys in Microsoft Store, start by opening the Microsoft Store application on your Windows device. You can do this by searching for Microsoft Store in the Start menu or by clicking on the Microsoft Store icon if it is pinned to your taskbar. Once the Microsoft Store is open, click on the search bar located at the top right corner of the window and type in PowerToys. As you type, a list of search results will appear below the search bar, and you should see PowerToys listed as one of the top results. Click on the PowerToys result to open its store page. On the PowerToys store page, you will see a brief description of the application, its rating, and a few screenshots of its interface. To begin the installation process, click on the Install button. If you are not already signed in to the Microsoft Store, you may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account before the installation can proceed. Once you are signed in, the installation process will start, and you will see a progress bar indicating the status of the installation. When the installation is complete, you can launch PowerToys by clicking on the Launch button. Alternatively, you can also find PowerToys in the Start menu, where it will be listed along with your other installed applications. PowerToys is a set of free utilities designed to enhance the functionality of Windows. It includes a range of tools, such as the PowerToys Run Launcher, the Fancy Zones Window Manager, and the Image Resizer. Each tool is designed to help you work more efficiently and customize your Windows experience. To get the most out of PowerToys, take some time to explore its various tools and settings. You can access the PowerToys settings by right-clicking on the PowerToys icon in the system tray and selecting Settings. From here, you can customize the behavior of each tool and configure PowerToys to suit your needs. By following these steps, you can easily install PowerToys from the Microsoft Store and start using its powerful tools to enhance your Windows experience.